Hi girls, what are you doing out there?
We're finding salamanders.
Yeah? Let me see what you have in there, Ellis. How many?
We have, I don't know, one, two, three, and five. That's five. Six. Seven. This is hard. Eight. Eight. Nine. Wait, let's see if the baby's still in there. Oh no, where's the baby? Where's the baby? I don't know. It's okay though.
Okay. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Look up here, Ed. We're going to have the Festival of Lights later, right?
Yeah. Guys, is your mom's coming? My mom is. Oh, because we have